Alright, good evening everyone. I'd love to briefly walk you through how you can get yourself familiarized and acquainted with Google Classroom, because this is what we'll be using mostly for the theoretical aspect of the course. Okay, so once you launch your browser, right, and you have reached this Google interface, you check very close to your profile here. You see some dotted lines called Google Apps. This is where all the apps, the embedded apps of Google is being kept. So when you click on it, you can see you have a lot of things. You can see map, you can see Play Store, you can see news, YouTube, and so many other apps here. So our interest is not all these apps, it is Classroom. Look at Google Docs here. You can see spreadsheet, finance, you can see slides serves a kind of PowerPoint purpose, but our interest is what? Classroom. So you click on Classroom, right? Click on Classroom and you'll be taken to right. You see here we have already preset classes. This is the introduction to UX, the class we are planning to have this weekend, right? So let's assume we didn't create any class at all, we are just new to the interface. What you need to do is to just go back to where your profile is. You check, you see a plus sign here. You see when you hover on the plus sign, you see create or join class. You click on it, you see a drop down options. One is asking you to join a class. You join a class as a student. The second option is create a class. You create a class as a tutor or a teacher, right? So in this case, you are a student, you click on join class, but in this case you're not going to click on join class because I will send a link already to you, and from that link the link will navigate you straight to where our materials and our classes are already. So but I'm just showing us generally, right, because for the sake of everybody, although in our class I will now teach us a lot about it, but as a teacher, maybe during your studies, you may want to be sharing screen with people, sharing ideas with other colleagues. So if you're the one creating the class, you come here, you click on create class, then you see this option popped up. This option now is telling you, is warning you, like if you're a student that belongs to an, should I say, organization or a school, right, that you are advised to meet um, your school and request for a Google space that is assigned for your school in case you are not coming here as an individual. So we have to check this box to tell them that we are not belonging to any school, that we want to use it for our personal purpose. So you check this box here. When you check the box, you see this, there will be this continue would highlight. So you now click on continue, right? When you click on continue, you see the class name is the title of the class. You can just as well say introduction to UX, right? Section, since this is the second batch for this 3MTT, we can say second, right? That is our second lecture, our second introduction to UX. We did it before during the previous sets. So under subject, you can say product design.